Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unrestrict a group member on Instagram. Whether you've had a change of heart or simply want to re-engage with someone, this process is straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Next, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. This icon resembles a paper airplane and will take you to your direct messages. Once you're in your messages, find the group that contains the member you want to unrestrict. You can scroll through your conversations or use the search bar at the top for quicker access. Now that you've located the group, click on the name of the group at the top of the chat screen. This will open up the group details where you can see all members and settings associated with that group. In the group details, navigate to People. Here you'll see a list of all members in the group. Find the name of the person you want to unrestrict. Once you've found their name, click on the three dots next to their name. This will open a menu with several options related to that member's status in the group. Finally, select Unrestrict from the options presented. Confirm your choice if prompted, and just like that, you've successfully unrestricted a member from your group. Remember, restricting someone on Instagram limits their interactions with you without blocking them entirely. When you unrestrict them, they'll regain full access to communicate and interact within your group. And that's it. You've learned how to unrestrict a group member on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating social media platforms. Thanks for watching.